I call upon all persons here present to witness I, Andreas, accept you, Lauren, as my lawful wife, to love and to share with you as from this day, moments of joy and sorrow, wealth and poverty, happiness and unhappiness, throughout our lives, until death do separate us. Andreas and Lauren, as from this moment, I pronounce you husband and wife. You can kiss your wife.
Looks absolutely beautiful today. She still does, and her dress stunning. I will say, when she walked down to the stairs of the villa where we were staying, she was so elegant, and I was took back. I mean, I nearly shed a tear, and believe me, I don't shed tears easily.
You did shed a tear.
So no, it's no. And I was so pleased. And I'd also like to welcome into our family now, Andreas. He's a fully paid up member now, which I'm pleased to say. The toast is Lauren and Andreas.
I'd like to start by saying what an amazing venue that you dragged us all out to, even though the Hutton Community Centre would have been perfect. I'd like to say how good both you look with the bridesmaids, everyone here today. They suit each other down to the T. Him and Elijah get on like a house on fire, which is so nice to see. Anyway, they both deserve each other. Thanks for coming. Let's raise a glass to Andreas and Lauren.
You're the best thing I have found. let it drop, spin it all, cause it's